A homeowner in Texas got a knock at their door for a DoorDash delivery at 1:20 a.m. Only the homeowner had ordered it. She was asleep with her nephew. She woke to a metal clinking sound but ignored it. The next morning, she found damage to her house. This led her to check her cameras. The footage from her doorbell camera and a backyard camera showed this. The first video was less concerning. A woman at the door claimed to be a DoorDash driver. This could be written off as a determined driver with the wrong address.
DoorDash.
But the backyard footage was troubling. At 2 a.m., 4 men entered the backyard and tried to get in through a window. They likely planned to ambush whoever opened the door for the delivery. When no one answered, they went to the backyard. The fake DoorDash driver distracted the homeowner. Fortunately, the men failed and the camera showed them running away.
DoorDash.
A dark sedan was seen leaving with the 4 men and the woman at the front door. The police never caught them. A 10-year-old in Riverton, Utah, was walking home from basketball practice at 6 p.m. on a December night. He was alone. At some point, he noticed a 4-door sedan driven by 2 men, slowly lurking behind him. Graydon said he started walking faster when he saw it. Then, the car pulled up next to him. The men inside rolled down their windows. They had candy in the back seat and tried to lure him inside. This happened only blocks from his house. He ignored them and walked even faster away from them. A few seconds later, he reached his house's front porch. His family's house had a doorbell camera. As Graydon approached, it caught the car in the background. He looked over at it as he walked to the front door. He tried the front door handle but found it locked. At that moment, the car's reverse lights turned on. It started heading towards him. He ran to his next-door neighbor's house. He found their door unlocked, so he entered and locked it behind him. The car turned around and followed him for several minutes, waiting for him to come outside. The police were called and a report was made. Graydon described the men as being in their 30s or 40s with no facial hair. Both his family and the police believed the men were trying to kidnap him that night. Someone recorded this clip at 3 a.m. on April 9, 2023 in Albuquerque, New Mexico. The homeowner was asleep when it happened. He awoke to a notification on his phone. Horrified, he reviewed the footage. It showed a woman trying various keys to enter the house and looking for a hidden one. The homeowner had never seen her before. She later threw rocks at his car and tried the locks. He believed she was under the influence of something. She inserted keys into the doorbell camera a few times. After a few minutes, she walked off and was never seen again. Her intentions are unknown. This video shows Ring doorbell footage of a man, Jeremy Luag. It clearly shows him trying to get someone inside to open the door. He was concealing a loaded handgun behind his back. The man was knocking on doors in the apartment building. Police got multiple calls that night about a man knocking and yelling at doors. Later that night, police arrived to do a welfare check at Jeremy's apartment. An officer's body camera shows Jeremy aiming his weapon at him. This forced the officer to shoot back.
Circle! Hey, all I want is toggle back, that's it.
Yo, is that your Dodge Challenger down there? What? It's registered to you. No. They signed it. No, come out here. No, sir. Come on. Jeremy was shot, but his wounds were not life-threatening.
Yo, hey, is that your Challenger down there? Is that your Dodge Challenger?
What?
I'm just asking, is that your Dodge Challenger down there?
No, what?
Because that's registered to you.
Nope.
It's not?
No.
Come out here.
No, sir.
Come out here.
Hey, what are you doing?
Let me see your hand.
After his doorbell rang, a San Diego homeowner checked his camera. It showed a supposed door-to-door salesman outside. The owner confronted the man via the doorbell speaker. The salesman claimed he was looking for the Robinsons at 712, which was not the house he was at. After being informed of this, the salesman politely apologized for the mix-up. "You're at the wrong house. It's 721. Oh, I apologize for that."
This the Robinson's residence at 712?
No, you're at the wrong house. This is 721.
Oh, I apologize for that.
Suspicious, the homeowner sent the footage to the local police. They confirmed that this man was a suspect in 19 break-ins. He had posed as a salesman to do so. The police have yet to catch him. This footage shows a random woman at someone's front door. She wasn't acting normal. Then, a car passed and she broke character to avoid attention. After the car was gone, she put her face right up to the camera. After watching the disturbing footage, the homeowner claimed he didn't know the woman. This home security camera was recording in the middle of the night. Multiple orb-like blurs appeared from the right side of the screen. They seemed to fly across the screen behind the house's fence. It's clear something went over the fence. Many comments speculated about a paranormal connection to the video. One suggested the blurs looked like kids running by and tossing jackets over the fence. The commenter guessed it was a group of teenagers trying to hide their jackets after committing a crime. It's still unclear what the video really shows.